Hey there, this is Geno with Music Villa. Today on Geno Likes, we're looking at the Yamaha DTX 12 Multi. This is something that I absolutely love. I own one of these. I use it for a ton of different things. What I love about the design is the footprint is really small, and Yamaha's done this really cool thing where they've used the rounded edges here on the top and the bottom to add more pads without adding a bunch of space. And you know, looking at the thing in a picture, I never really realized how useful the bottom one was going to be. I kind of thought the bottom one seemed like it was sort of a waste. But now that I own one, I find that it's just fantastic. What's cool is they put over 1,200 sounds in here. There's also, the neat thing, if you don't know this about all the Yamaha electric drum products, they do a really cool thing in addition to having, you know, your dynamic range with every pad. Yamaha will let you do a couple different things. You can stack up to 4 notes. So you can either program a chord, or a little trick that I use a lot is you can program 4 different sounds. So I actually put, you know, a shaker in, and the 4th one or the 3rd one, I put a different type of shaker sound in, or a triangle or something. So I go over and just ride on that when I'm playing drums, and it sounds like I'm playing a pattern. I've figured out some cool ways to do that. Another thing Yamaha's done with this that's really super cool is a lot of these pads, you know, they have their sensitivity, but there's different levels of sensitivity here. So you actually, there's a little, right on the screen, there's a little picture of a hand, which means you can use it with a stick, or if you put it on the setting for your hand, you can actually just use your hand. That, of course, is a pattern you heard. There's also a sequencer in here, and you can program in your own patterns. Yamaha has also given you the ability to import samples. There's a couple card slots here on the side, one for samples, one for talking to your computer. But the neat thing is you can leave that jump drive in there with whatever samples you want to use in your kits. So that being said, responds great. The sounds are unbelievably good. Yamaha's been building drums for a long time, and the drum samples are killer. There's 5 trigger inputs on the back here. I actually use some foot pedal triggers for different things. It can be really fun, even for special effects. One is a 3-zone trigger, which works great for a Yamaha pad if you want to put a snare drum on and have a little portable kit. So anyway, this is a great product we're going to start keeping here in the store. Come on in and play with it, because it's absolutely fantastic.